Well, the most important, I think, take-home messages is that to make a summary of the specialty, it's possible in a couple of days with a high level of quality, that people is very interested in andrology, especially young people, and that we have all together to work out with this objective to spread the andrology, the infertility, and to work together with these so young people to make the future of andrology. Well, I have to say that Pramod is a very nowadays key opinion leader in andrology. I know him several years ago. He is a strong worker, and I think that he is going to be the future of andrology in India. So, and overall, is a very good person. I am very focused on certain areas of the specialty, but it has been very useful for me to update all the knowledge. So my main message, not only here, but when I come back to Spain, is that this kind of courses should be assisted because gives you a lot of information in a very short time and updates you with a high quality. Fantastic. I mean, I consider that this program should be, could be given all the information that contains to residents, staff, senior people, or naive people. So the contents are very clear. The composition of the program is very well thought. And the only I can say is that congratulations.